pa rin tagak makakagat. Parang...
Alam mo, ikaw kanina ka pa.
Wait, sige. Balik mo na ako to sa, ano? Oh, yung book. So, I guess pupunta mo na ako dun sa town hall, no? Balik ulit ako dun, and then... Ay, wait lang, nakapag-save ba ako? Wait nga lang, di ata ako nag-save. Oh my God, wait, time out.
Hello, and goodbye. Danger! May quicksand dyan. Ayan. Hindi ko pala nakuha. Mamaya ko nalabanan si Ridley.
Anong kanta pa nga ulit yan? Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong kanta. Nakalimutan ko yung ano eh. Nakalimutan ko yung tono niya. Since... Oh my God, trash talker! Oh my goodness!
Mag-drop by sa pag-smash ng reaction button. Then, dito naman sa Twitch, Mr. Cypher, you shout out Mr. Cypher77 for a little guide. And then, second and third thing. Okay. Okay. I get it. Thanks for it. Oh! You mean this twist? Okay. Okay. Okay, I get it. Okay. Ito yung hospital ng I need to get rid of them.
Dami ng Z77 buong stage. Sana all.
Yo, okay.
Ayan, live direct pala si Kat.
Surprise ka, Ot?
Alright. So, bali pupunta na ako doon sa train, no? Lagi naman eh. I guess time for me to go to the train, na. Siguro daling ko na rin yung grenade launcher. Or, I don't know.
Just to be sure.
Triangle, no?
Triangle and then left or right or even back.
Ayos. Pero not sure kung useful sa akin yan kasi starting to next month, an extensive experiment will start to the time frame. Yes, there just aren't enough computer to say that. Parang Digimon ko ah. You need as many computers. Puta, ganun yan. Nakasar pa kayo ah?
Pwede.
Fuck you.
Sabay tawa no.
No speed run. No speed run. No speed run. No speed run. Huh. Okay. So the okay, 100. Mana? Pa.
Dumami bigla yung kalaban, ang dadaya ng mga tao. Huwag ka dito mga babae, kaya nga, mga lalaki dapat dito. Uh-oh. Ano, ayoko maniwala dyan.
Oddly Fair, thanks for smashing like. Let's see. Wala bang energy tank dito? Wala! Let's see, okay. Ayun. Sinunit ko na lahat ng bala dyan ha. Patapos mo eh. Thanks a lot. That would be later. Hello there on Twitch. Am I still online? Hindi ako pwede dumaan dyan. Trilogy. Meron na ako niyan ni Muel. I have those games. Hindi ko kailangan ng subscription.
I am
System disc. Computer main trade dun sa malaking hall. Ibig sabihin, itong area to, yan yung final showdown. Ito.
Hindi ako...
Thank you, Sir Pao.
Yun na nga, Crimscar, di ba? Yun na nga, sa city planning din talaga. Kaya sana, kung gusto talaga umunlad yung mga ano dito, yung mga kuryente and shit, dapat.
Okay, that's it.
Simulan na nila yung mga...
That's the last.
mo na lang kasi.
Oo nga eh.
Bibigyan. Hindi, ibang Adam yan. Paulit-ulit lang yung ano. Kung ganyan kasi ano, wag mo nang pantayin yan. You just gotta do what you gotta do na.
Pero yung iba, baka nung first playthrough nila, sa pagkatanda ko, hindi nila sinave.
Hindi naman namalak yan.
Yun na nga eh. Tank the one up.
Boy, that's right. Saan ang galing? What the fuck? Where did you come from?
Zine Streams. Thanks for dropping by and lurking my stream. Sa mga viewers na nanonood as of this time, and sa mga replay ng live stream na ito, to all the viewers watching my stream as of this time, and to all the viewers watching replay of this stream. Patapos na tong game na to ah. I-return fire ko to.
She prefers dodging target for the most part.
Hindi, parang ano naman, naka-block na ako. Naka-block na ako pero tinatamaan pa rin ako ng kalaban for some reason. What the fuck?
Yeah, isang bala. Mali. Mababawas yung space mo after ng crack and trace. Oo nga eh. Yung gunpowder kasi ang inaano ko din eh. Best friend ko ni Ot ang leaker.
Doesn't say it. Oh my god.
Hindi siya kaya super missile lang. Chapter 6, Friends. Then one day, while the girl sat sipping tea, a tiny apricot-colored planet. Oh boy. I have to press that button again. Yes! Woohoo! Ayos. Oh, yeah. Oy, Dirian, thanks for smashing like. puta!
Ilatay niya at ilaw at binuksan ng PCB.
Super Queen.
Oh, that is great. Hopefully, I do not run into Nemesis, yeah? Nemesis is very bad.
Not yet.
Yay! Oh God, I expect something.
Teka. Ay, oh, the time still ticks. The time still ticks. Thank goodness. Uy, John Frederick Tuazon, welcome back. Oh.
Hindi niya
They have
kailangan.
placed the Raccoon City under martial law because of the cannibal disease.
Patayin ko lang
I
muna
have lost
tong-
contact with the media outside of the city, but I won't give up as a journalist. I won't keep my eyes shut and walk away. I have a duty to the people in my profession. I don't think the disease has spread.
I am the Saksak Master.
Oh.
Eh. Grabe. Teka, di pa
Gusto
ako.
ko yung
Teka,
put ko.
out ka na.
Lalagyan ng tubo.
Oh, hindi ka na naka-stream out?
Ay,
Hindi, nakastream pa rin ako.
Sige.
Nakapalaki ng puwet para
Oh, yeah. Thanks for smashing like. Yeah.
why is morning content?
You guys are going crazy with that Rocky.
Saan ako rampa?
Dapat na talaga sila.
Hindi, lilipat talaga kami ng bagong bahay.
Ayos yan.
Hindi renovate. Pag renovate, aayusin yung bahay.
Ay, sorry. Sorry for the long time. Viewers, am I still online? Am I still online here on Twitch? Let me know. Thank you.
No? Ano klaseng shoutout yun? What the hell? Oh shit, only for kinds of items can we maaga na lumisan sa work. Sana all.
Nice.
I don't think I need.
Meron pa. As expected. Oh my god. Oh.
You just don't give a fuck it. I guess I'll just swap up you myself. You want this master so bad? You're gonna take it from me.
I see. Okay, that's it. I get it. Otherwise, I'll need Digitator to do this. Bahala na ako nung lalaroin ko, pero ako na magdi-design.
Yung Super Mario 3.
Actually, I don't take requests pero this is more like a suggestion.
Sungit! Sige, wag! Hindi, wag lang.
Pero, pasungit.
I was just testing. At least I will grab another Wushu. Blue language, yeah.
Can be used to unlock the... I guess udam na siguro. Ah, okay.
So that's what is after. Yung pinano sa akin ni Jay.
Here comes a new follower.
Hey, for the follow, Marco, ang nalote. Propaganda is gaming. But I have to get rid of Bowser Jr. Bowser Jr.'s tower. I can't just ignore Bowser Jr. to be honest. Hole. Okay, somewhere sa loob ng tren. Ay, shucks, nakalimutan ko na.
I told you, don't worry. I'll just go and get some fresh air. Be eaten by a monster.
Yung 80s version nun, ang saya eh.
Pati si Marvin.
Marvin Mystery.
Yan! I don't mind. Hunter kalabang ko eh.
Hanggang sa nauwi sa wala ka kwenta-kwentang ano, parang nag-chip moves na lang kami. Kasi ito si Minchips, tuloy-tuloy niya talaga ako pinapaksakan ng nuclear nun eh. Butay lang yan.
Good eye though. Good eye. Of course, Luigi doesn't recognize Marios and Ghost. Okay.
Hoy!
Uy, sawadi ka, hilo naman din eh.
Reserve ko yan for later. Easy yung commands dun. Kaysa naka-controller ako. Sometimes masama ko itong kapag can flip the camera and oh, astig ha.
Nat-8 ka na sa akin. Daming strike grabe yan.
Bali mo
worst batter ba ako sa ano sa baseball? Ay sa ano, worst tawag nito. Worst batter.
I watch over and protect the cosmos. To save your special someone, you need the power to travel through space. Roma can give you this power. I will.
I have a question. Who designed this level? Is it Miyamoto? Uy, ano kalala ko dyan? Nagsasabi mo!
Wow, ayaw lumapit. Yes. Gusto mo at isama kita sa gusto ko. Ay!
Anong gusto ni Otwawa? Yun.
Ah, shit! Nakakainis itong kalaban na ito.
Haba yata tong larong to ah. Good luck the game of fate, yeah. Okay, here we go. Tigloko ka!
Wait to get that button.
The pair descended on the comet and found that it was made of ice. They looked high and low, but Luma's mother was nowhere to be found. Highness, stand still. Don't worry. You're a spider! Spider bee! Spider bee!
What the fuck?
Oh boy. I hate
House of
this.
Veles pala. Oh! Tangina ano to parang
Yo, GN, thanks for dropping by.
Why is morning content?
Guys are going crazy with that Rocky.
No way! GB laro ko, wala. Imposible to. My God! Uy! Thanks for the 15 bits, Red Jukyo.
Ayun na nga. Nasabi ko.
Teka. Okay.
Pretty much.
Wait, what's this?
I gotta do something about this real quick.
500 beats!
Uy, tol.
Uy, 500 delicious
Pa-shoutout
chicken
yo,
nuggets.
Nesrin! Di na ako relive si Jasper Tirona. Hindi mo hindi ka dise. And yun lang. Salamat sa pag-drop by at sa pag-smash ng reaction button. Dito naman sa Twitch. The number first represents the power stars you need to reach the center point.
Gagisa ko na sa ulo. Sobrang sakit kaya nalikot pa ako.
Ariel, pati yung oil tago mo. No! I want to massage. Joke lang, ano to? Now, I've been playing Sonic X Shadow Generations. I haven't played that.
Well, I managed to save Luigi though. Okay.
If it do you do it very good, I'm gonna take it on the other side. How long will I slide? Uy.
They're done, guys. Yo, Ma'am Shibels! Lalagpasan ko eh. Kung dito yata ako matatagalan sa buhaya. Chest vlog, magsisave ako. Saan yun dito? Sa kwartong to.
Akala ko chase plug. Habulin ka.
Cheese. Okay, got it.
How do I fucking do this?
You're just gonna kill them all.
Art Deferio, thanks for smashing like.
Yung crank. Di ba?
Fuck, man, their tax money. So,
Ito yung shortcut papunta sa ano eh.
Ay, ano,
Pakita ko sa'yo yun.
sobrang bore nito.
Sabihin mo na sa akin kung okay na yung ano. Sabihin mo kung kulang pa.
Teka lang guys ha. But I'll wait for the sale. I have no interest in buying that for. Okay, let's go back. But I know he's not there. Are you all alone? That no.
The remains of the chicken.
The remains that will never as long as there's Jollibee in everything, every restaurant around the world. Hindi ako...
Take a shot, Pao.
Yun na nga, Creamscar, di ba? Yun na nga, sa city planning din talaga. Kaya sana, kung gusto talaga umunlad yung mga ano dito, yung mga kuryente and shit, dapat.
Okay, that's it.
Simulan na nila yung mga...
You discovered a new galaxy? Oh my god. Double.
15 minutes.
I'll go fight Bowser. Sinking airship. Oh.